Welcome back to Hot Crypto Desk, your #1 source on YouTube for all your crypto needs. If you're a crypto beginner wondering how to get started in the crypto space or an experienced hodler and trader looking for that next altcoin that's going to take off, this channel is the one to be subscribed to for the hottest and most insightful content. Let's get started. Getting into crypto is one of the latest trends in the modern world. It's no wonder that more people are becoming interested in NFTs or non-fungible tokens. NFTs are digitally created unique things, unlike fungible tokens which are all the same. NFTs can be used for anything from buying virtual property for use on a blockchain game to exchanging them for real-world goods on decentralized marketplaces. There are many ways you can use NFTs, but before you start jumping on board, make sure you know all the ins and outs. Let's go through how to buy NFTs, what they're used for, and some of their benefits. What are non-fungible tokens, NFTs? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a type of digital asset that cannot be substituted for one another. This may sound like the same thing as a fungible token, but it is not. Fungible tokens can be swapped with one another and they will have precisely the same value as the others in their group. Think of them like traditional currency. NFTs, however, can't be swapped with each other and each one is different from the next. Some examples include CryptoKitties, collectibles that you need to breed and trade with others. Think of them like Tamagotchi pets or Pokemon cards. Decentraland, a virtual world where you buy land to create your own personal property. NFTs are becoming more popular because they are limited in number, which means that if someone wanted to sell their NFT, they would have to decide at what price they want to sell it for because buyers know there are no other options. Many people prefer this because it provides an automatic safety net for both parties involved in the transaction. Why should you buy NFTs? NFTs are an emerging asset class, meaning they can't be traded on a traditional stock market. But you can still buy and sell them. NFTs are a perfect way for newcomers to get into the crypto world without investing in more complicated assets. NFTs also have the potential to drive tremendous value. They're not just limited to gaming either. NFTs can be used as tokens of appreciation, event tickets, and even digital art pieces. There are endless possibilities with NFTs. How do I buy NFTs? One of the main questions people ask when they first hear about NFTs is, how do I buy them? The answer is that you can purchase NFTs on a number of different platforms. The most popular are platforms created for trading digital assets. Some of the most popular platforms include OpenSea's Marketplace, OpenSea, Rarebits, and Crypto Collectibles. The process for purchasing NFTs on these platforms will vary slightly, but generally speaking, it will involve creating an account and providing some personal information to verify your identity and pay for your purchase. You should also be able to use a credit card or cryptocurrency to complete your purchase. You may also need to provide some other identification details before you can buy items such as your ID or social security number. Buying NFTs from a blockchain game. NFTs can be used in a number of ways, but one of the most popular is exchanging them for virtual assets on a blockchain game. When you buy an NFT from a blockchain game, you'll have ownership over that item and be able to do whatever you want with it. For example, say you buy an NFT for $50 and then decide to sell it at a flea market for $200. That would result in the original owner of the token making $150 and the new owner getting $200 worth of goods. The original owner could buy 10 more tokens and get back their initial investment while also acquiring an additional 10 tokens which they could then sell or use on a blockchain game. That said, selling your NFTs is not always easy because some games only allow users to exchange them through in-game stores while others don't allow users to buy or sell them at all. Before buying any NFTs, make sure you know how that blockchain game handles trades. Buying NFTs from a decentralized marketplace. NFTs can be bought from a decentralized marketplace. These marketplaces are built on blockchain technology and offer a secure way to trade digital assets without the need for a third party. On these marketplaces, sellers list their NFTs and buyers purchase them with either crypto or fiat currency. The process is straightforward. You find an NFT that interests you, you contact the seller to make an offer, and then the transaction takes place. One of the benefits of these decentralized marketplaces is that there's no commission fee, as is typical with many other online marketplaces such as eBay or Amazon. One downside is that prices may be higher than those on centralized marketplaces since they don't have to compete with each other for customers. The future of NFTs. NFTs are a digital representation of a non-fungible asset. This means that each NFT is unique and there can't be two identical ones. They're mostly used for trading purposes on public blockchains or decentralized marketplaces. The future of NFTs is seemingly unlimited. Some possible uses include Virtual property for use on video games. Goods that you can buy and sell on decentralized marketplaces. Ownership of artwork, jewelry, or other physical goods. Certificates for courses in universities. Digital collectibles like Pokemon cards. What do you guys think about NFTs? Do you think they're just a trend that people will soon get bored of, or are they here to stay? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed today's episode and found it interesting, make sure to leave us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Hot Crypto Desk to be kept up to date with the most insightful content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.